folks, Brandon here out of Sight Gear, SlimeCat affiliate, and Dr.Fish Pro staff. So we are not vertical jigging, but we're doing more of a twitching. The fishing was pretty hot this morning. Fish have kind of moved out, but I just want to show you exactly how we're fishing. What we're doing is I've got 4-pound test. I do use the Cabela's Crappie Max line, and I'm just twitching it on the bottom. This is really strong line. You need a rod like this, exactly like this, that you can feel the little hits. 6.5 feet, it gets you out there. But this combo, this is a great combo for me. It's the Dr.Fish Gryphon Reel, 4-pound test, SlimeCat, 6.6 crappie rod. And I'm just basically taking a 1/16 jig and just walking it on the bottom. As opposed to being in a boat and vertical jigging. And the 1/16 jig I have on is the crappie crawler, actually designed specifically for this type of fishing. You'll see when I take this in, what I have is I have a combo of the zonker tail and the rubber legs. So when this thing crawls on the bottom, it instigates a strike. So again, just a different type of fishing for fishing from shore, and worked out pretty good for us this morning. So thanks for joining. We are throwing for crappie. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh.
Hey, you know what?
Yeah.
10 fishing for crappie. This is a little guy. But, rapid blast. Sturgeon bait.